It's actually not as big as I imagined it on television.
It really does feel like home to us. There are 2 floors upstairs, above the state floors, and that's where our home is. That's where our children have grown up.
The White House is the people's house, and
how many times do I have to get knocked down and get back up? But I got back up. It's food that touches us from the inside. It should make you cry.
Whoa.
You know what, if you can tell us what you're seeing, then we'll all enjoy it as well.
I guess I'm seeing some elephants
Elephants?
in Africa.
Oh, wow.
You're gonna feel a little stick in your hand
Give a
now.
little bit of a pinch of it.
Okay, all right. Okay.
The only time I was ever afraid
Yeah.
in Africa was our Jeeps got in the middle of a herd of elephants.
Oh, really?
And yeah, and there was a couple babies there, and they were feeding, which they really destroy the trees. It's a big problem. I remember we had to back up the truck in a hurry.
Okay.
So that was the only time I was ever afraid.
That it's easier, especially for older patients, that they not have to go to a hospital and be put under general anesthetic. Dad's 82, and so this would be easier on his body to do a local and have him awake. And then he wouldn't have the recovery time. He could have breakfast this morning. He was able to take his regular medications, didn't have to do so much prep in order for this kind of procedure versus doing general anesthetic and have to go to a hospital. You know, you're nervous enough when you're having a procedure, let alone having to go to an operating room and all that, where this is a lot more, less anxiety producing, this kind of situation.